YouTube. This is Unity MotorSports Garage, very first episode. So my name is Andy Wood, and we're looking at the engine that's in my 1971 F100 Casper. So I decided to start a channel that will show you the nuts and bolts of hot rodding that's not being shown to you. You know, how to tune the carburetors, different circuits, how to adjust timing curves inside distributors, all of the hot rodding basics, if you will. And the reason for that is I want to dispel some of the myths that are out there, and I want to make sure that our culture carries on to the next generation, because finding someone who knows how to work on a carburetor is almost like pulling a needle out of a haystack nowadays. So follow along, and hopefully you'll learn something and impress your friends along the way. Thank you.